Hey guys, happy weekend. I'm just spending some time reading my new book I bought right here. Complete Turtle Trader right here. New book I just bought. I'm gonna read it this weekend. I'm just taking my time, guys, this weekend, setting up charts and learning charts setups better this weekend. Also, this right here setup I got going right now that I'm gonna test Sunday when Australian USD open up at 7 o'clock. This strategy right here. First thing you want to do is go to the daily chart, and this is the daily chart right here. It's got both of them combined. And I know it's an uptrend because it's the 200 moving average. This is the 50 moving average. And I believe this the 9 moving average. Okay. So I know it's an uptrend, guys. Okay. Then I come back to the 15 minute chart. This is going to be my strategy. As soon as the first candle open, I'm going to change this line right here. So wherever that first candle open. And then what I do, guys, is I open something called the average direction, the ATR right there. And I know that the Australian dollar and US dollar do about 63 to 60 pips a day. Now, the middle line, let me know where we're going to open up yet right here. It's either going to get 63 pips up, so this line is 63 pips up or 63 pips down, to give us something. So what I want to do, guys, is I got the 50 moving average right here. If it crossed my 50 moving average up or down, I'm going to get in the trade and set my stop loss accordingly. So this is how I'm going to do this, guys. But since this is a uptrend in the 15 minutes, I know it's going to be a lot of pips to gain because I believe it's going to go up because it's an uptrend on a daily. Now, if this was a downtrend and the daily shows that it was an uptrend, then you have to watch it a little bit because it's just a pullback. But since it's an uptrend on the 15 minutes and it's an uptrend on a daily, I know it's going to be a lot of pips and maybe it might go to 0.7000. So about 50 pips right there. So I'm gonna watch it this Sunday, guys. So that's a strategy I'm using. And also let me show you on a weekly chart right here. I got everything set up that you can see. I got my trend line set up, but it's on a weekly chart, guys. It's a down trend. But since all this right here, it hit so low already, and then it hit so low right here, I believe the buyers going to come up, and it's almost hitting the 200 moving average to be an uptrend. So I believe it's going to go up, guys. So a little quick little video, guys, on my strategy, how to enter the market, soon as the new candle open with my 50 moving average. If it's above the 50 moving average, they want to hit somewhere in these levels right here, catch some pips. But if it don't, they want to catch, put a sale in and catch it on the lower part. All right, guys, quick little video with your boy A. Just want to show you what I'm doing for this weekend. Just, learning more strategies and reading my book about trading. All right, guys, peace and love.